Okay, so what is magnification? Magnification is a method of increasing the size of the retinal image. Pinalalaki yung retinal image, meaning image, okay? So that mas malaking area ng retina ang nasi-stimulate, mas mabilis makita. Okay? Imagine if you were to see an elephant and an ant. Anong mas mabilis makita? Yung ant ba or yung elephant? Siyempre yung elephant, di ba? Kasi mas malaki siya. Mas malaki yung area na na-cover niya. Mas malaki yung image na naka sa ating retina. So, mas mabilis siya makikita than compared to isang ant. Alright. So that enough of the retina is stimulated to send an impulse through the optic nerve to the brain, allowing an object to be perceived. The amount of magnification needed is determined only after the distance refractive error has been corrected. Okay, kailan ka magpo-prescribe ng magnification? Only when na-correct mo na yung error of refraction, whether it's myopia, whether it's astigmatism, or hyperopia. Like in the case of presbyopia, syempre kailangan mo muna i-correct yung distance vision, kung meron. After that, that's when you prescribe yung reading prescription. Right? Get that so far? Okay, next. The purpose of low vision aids is to magnify the retinal image of an object. By enlarging the size of the image that is projected onto the retinal surface, it is more likely that the image will be seen by the remaining healthy tissue surrounding the compromised areas. Okay. Assuming ang pasyente mo, let's say, ay may glaucoma. Ano yung affected when you have glaucoma? Central area, right? Okay. This is where it is. Let's say the word glaucoma here. This word glaucoma. If it were in a let's say 6-size print. Okay? 6-point print on Microsoft Word. Okay? Glaucoma. Dito. Okay? Mabasa mo pa ba yun? Maybe not. Okay? So, what if pinalaki natin to 20-size print? Glaucoma from 20-size print would probably go from this cheek to the head of the baby. So, hindi mo man kita yung buo. You could probably make out a few of the letters and make context clues. Then it will be easier for you to read. As kung hindi mo, you miss some of the letters, what can you do? Mag-scan ka, di ba? That's what Ken does. Di ba? Mag-eccentric fixation siya. So that he'd get to see the print on his book. Okay, going back. Okay, there are 4 types of magnification. There's relative size magnification. Ano ibig sabihin ng relative size magnification? The object is actually made larger. Examples are large print books and large number of telephone dial pads. There is a direct relationship of increased object size to increased retinal image size. By just doubling the size of the actual object, the retinal image is also doubled and easier to see. Okay? Naiintindihan mo yun so far? Meaning, how do you put this? Let's say yung example natin kanina, if our book was in a 6-point print size, mas mahirap siyang basahin as compared to, let's say, a 20-point print size. Diba? That's 3 times the size. Increase mo lang yung increase mo lang yung object size, mag-i-increase din ang retinal image size, thereby making it easier to see or read. Alright? Okay. Look at this. Itong book na to, normal size print. Okay? Itong mouse-like thingy, probably a scanner, ini-enlarge niya yung print on this book to the TV out here. So look at that. How many times kaya siya magnified? Okay? Kung gaano kalaki yung magnification niya, that's most probably the size that's projected onto our retina, making it easy for us to read what is on the TV. Right? Okay. Example na. No, this is the formula actually. RSM, which stands for relative size magnification, is S2 over S1, meaning S2 stands for new size and S1 stands for old size. Okay. Example tayo ha. Let's say ang new size ay 2M. Ang old size ay 1M. Ang formula RSM is equal to S2 over S1. Okay. S2 new size is 2M divided by old size is 1. Hold on, sorry. M. Ilan yun? Is equal to 2 times yung magnification. Lumaki. 100% yung magnification. Twice the size. Ang old size to new size. Alright? Next example. Next problem. Okay? Compute for the amount of magnification if a printed material equivalent to 2040 letter was enlarged to 2100. Okay. So, alin dyan ang new size, alin dyan ang old size. Okay. If a printed material equivalent to 2040 was enlarged, pinalaki, to 20 over 100. Sorry. RSM is equal to S2 divided by S1. New size is 100. Okay. Divided by 40. Ilang times magnified yan? That's 2.5 times yung magnification. Naintindihan pa ba so far? Okay, next problem. Okay. How much magnification is needed by a patient to be able to read books with 3M print if it can only read prints as large as 15M? Okay, RSM equal to S2 divided by S1. New size divided by old size. 15M divided by 3M is how much magnification? 5 times the magnification. Alright, naintindihan ba so far? Sige, pwede pa tayong mag-example later on. Then, that's about it for relative size magnification. So, we have to move on to relative distance magnification naman later on, right?